Hey everyone, today we're launching the new Stream Mobile Chat Kit. This kit includes a new mobile-focused UI kit for Figma, Sketch, and Adobe XD, along with highly customizable sample apps and tutorials for Flutter, React Native, iOS, and Android. Let's take a quick look at the Figma UI kit. This UI kit is packed full of features. Here are my top 3 that I want to show you. First off, incredibly well-structured components. You can jump in here, replace your brand colors, change out typography, swap out icons. Really anything else that you would need to build out a messaging app has been included here. All right, next up, I want to show you how we implemented auto layouts within app screens. If you go to any one of these views, you'll notice that content automatically rearranges depending on what you actually enter within those areas. So just like so, you can enter content and then rearrange it, and boom, your design's complete. Last but not least, I want to show you how easy it is to apply themes to any of the views within this document. So I'm just going to grab this and duplicate and then apply this dark mode theme. This is done using Themer in our well-structured color library. So you can apply dark mode, light mode, just out of the box, or you can create your own custom themes and apply them to your views. Now to show you how our teams brought this all together. This mobile chat kit for Flutter, React Native, iOS, and Android all share the same cross-platform UI UX. We encourage you to start out with the tutorials to get your app going. You can also check out a live version of the Flutter app right here. Thanks for watching. Now get out there and build something.